Oh, so cool.
Kaya lang, kung wala ito, this is how big yung likod mo. Sikip na siya.
Sikip.
Headliner. So you know how in the other cars is light gray? Over here for park, there is a backup system in the newer one. So you can shift from here, but you only use this one if something happened to the screen. It's your foot.
Ooh, Timothy,
Hands
look.
off the wheels
This
and...
is, this is hands off because my 3, I still have to put my hands on it.
Yeah, no, this is actually no hands, no nothing. We're just gonna
This is so
monitor.
cool.
Yes. Ordered the other day. I'm doing it too.
Yeah, I could feel
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So it's a lot better. Lots of improvement done on the car. This spot, and then we'll put start, and we'll put inside.
Timothy, watch.
This is the Quicksilver, and this is the color that I like. So it's that one. Yeah, and this is the red. So today there's a lot of them, and this is the gray, the like standard color. The blue is nice too. The blue I checked, we only have ones that has a tow hitch on the ground, but nothing without a tow hitch.
Look at that. Oh, so na. Ayoko madumihan.
And then ito charger, phone charger na to. So start, explore your...
I'm good.
Whee!
Saan yung car mo? Ito.